everything weird.
Hi again everyone, this is Keith. This time I'm going to give you a tutorial on Visual Studio. So this might be the part 6 or the 6th part of our tutorial of the basics in Visual Studio 2012. I'm going to teach you right now on how you're going to add values using text boxes, okay, and buttons. So let's start. So just click on the new project once you have opened your Microsoft Visual Studio 2012. Click on new project, wait for that one to load. This might take you a while. Well, for me, it took me a little while because I'm using a recording software for this one. So click on Visual Basic, Windows Forms Applications, then the name of your application, whatever you want it to be named, click OK. Then again, we're going to wait for as long as it will not take us forever to wait, then it's okay to wait. Wow, I think this will take me forever. So how are you guys? Let's just break the ice. Okay, there you go. So we are pretty much familiar with the environment of Visual Studio. We already have the form window in here. So we're just going to resize this one a little bit so that it would be easier for us to see the objects that we are going to place in here. So first, I'm going to use the text box. Click on the text box, click and drag. There you go. So notice that the name of this object will be seen from here. Name text box 1. So you're just going to use the alphabetical manner because by default it is on a categorized manner. So I'm just going to change this one to alphabetical so that it would be easier for you to locate on a certain property of this particular object. Well, whatever. Proceed with the next one. Click on text box again, drag it inwards or towards your form 1 window. Now afterwards I'm going to click on the button object. There you go. We're not yet done with this one, guys, because we are going to place a label in here. Now the purpose of the label is for the result, so where the result will be displayed. So I'm going to choose this one, click and drag. There you go. So should I place it in here? Oh, that's good enough. Next is I'm going to change the size of my label under the font property. Wait for it to load. What's wrong with my laptop? This is a gaming laptop and keeps on freezing. I'm going to choose the font style bold and the size 14. I think this is good enough. I'm just going to remove the label. It will not affect the program itself. It's just the label or the caption of that object. The label is still there. It's just not that visible. So by the time we're going to create a program or we are going to provide a code, then this label will provide an answer. Okay. So next is button 1. I'm going to change the caption of button 1 under the text property. I'm going to change this one to compute. Because computer, what's wrong with me? There you go. Compute, there you go. So if ever I'm going to click on this button, automatically it will compute the values from here and here, then it will be displayed in here on the label. So let's try doing it. So in order for us to input a code, of course you're going to input it on the button because this is where we are going to place the event. The event is some sort of an action. Okay, so you're just going to double click on the compute button, wait for the this is the coding window. So this is the event, the click event, and this is the object. So if ever you are going to click on the button, you're going to provide a statement in here. What would happen if I'm going to click on the button? So we are going to display on label 1 dot text, okay, equals whatever is the value of text box 1 dot text added by the value of text box 2 dot text. Now what's the main purpose of the word value? Now the main purpose of this one is to convert whatever is in here to become an integer. When we say an integer, we are converting all the values that will be displayed in here to a number. Okay, that's an integer. We are dealing with whole numbers, something like that, 0 to 9 and so on. Okay, so if ever I'm going to place a value in text box 1, it will automatically be added to text box 2 once you're going to click button 1. Did you get it? So it will be displayed under label 1. So let's try it. So to run our program, of course, you're going to click on the start button located at the mid top of your program environment. Wait for it to load. There you go. So if ever I'm going to type in, let's say 25 plus 68, of course we'll already know the answer for this, but if you're dealing with higher values, then definitely this will be very helpful. So click on compute. There you go. So 25 plus 68 is 93. There you go. So if ever I'm going to change the value, let's say something like that, automatically it will provide you with the accurate result for as long as you are able to provide with the accurate formula. Now, let's say if you are going to change this one into subtraction, all you need to do is just to use the minus symbol. There you go. Oops, what's wrong with this? Whoa. That an advertisement or whatever. They're trying to promote their product in front of my blog. There you go. So if I'm going to use minus, click on start. So if ever I'm going to type in a couple of values here, there you go. Compute, there you go. 978 minus 777 is 201. So that's how you're going to use simple arithmetic program and Visual Studio. Of course, you can improve this one, you can upgrade this one. I'm just trying to show you the concept on how you're going to create one. Okay, so there will be advanced exercises, advanced tutorials for this, but then again, this is the foundation. This is the basic, guys. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any questions, just feel free to message me and subscribe to this channel because we will be providing you with lots and lots of tutorials in the upcoming days. Alright, so bye for now.
Everything weird.